So this NordicTrack is having problems. If you can hear that thump, 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 one of the wheels has worn down and cracked, and the wheel rides in this rail right here. This one is the one that is cracked. I'm going to replace both of the wheels. I paid $19 each for the wheels on Amazon. Really good price, the best I could find going today. This repair will cut down the price of obviously calling somebody to come in and do it for you, but to replace this piece of equipment would be about $1,200. We've had it for about 14 years and everything else seems to be really well. So I'm going to go ahead and repair this. If you're having a problem with yours, I'll show you how to replace the wheels. Okay, so I removed these 4 screws and I'm going to take off this part of the ramp that's gone. Ooh, dusty. Okay, so this is where the wheel rides in this rail. I'm going to go ahead and remove this top part. And the rail comes off. Okay, so here's the trouble wheel. This is the one that was making it go clunk, 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 as I showed you before. I'm going to replace it. Here's the new one. You can see that. I'm going to put it on. There's a simple O-ring here, and you got to expand it and pop off the O-ring. It's like a washer or a cotter pin to hold it in position, and the wheel will pop off. Okay, so I just removed this ring pin. It acts as a cotter pin to hold the wheel in place. It should slide off now. And there it is. It just fell out. There's the wheel once again. Pretty bad shape. Flat tire broken down. Oops, you're going to get replaced. Alright, got the O-ring back on. Clamp it in place. There we go. Got the wheel on. There it is. Okay, so you can see I've got both wheels on and it's quiet and smooth. Very, very nice. Like new. It's quiet. It used to go thump, 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 thump. Very smooth. Great repair, $40. Restored a $1,200 piece of equipment to functioning as new. Very nice. Anyways, I'm not going to reassemble this on camera. It's simply, you know, reverse the process. But great, $40 repair. Gotta love it.